If I had a choice, I'd be eating in the back of a Uber at 5:30.
Hey guys, it's Will here. A few days ago, I had a particularly difficult trip
How are you?
on a day that I wasn't feeling so well as it is. I'm very stressed about the changes Uber had made, and I'm really not making as much money as I used to. So it's been tough. So what happened was this rider started eating in my car, and I don't allow anyone to eat because I need to keep the car smelling fresh, and I need to make sure that it's clean for the next rider so that I can keep getting good ratings, because my job depends on the ratings that I get. So just like any other passenger, I told the person that she can't eat in the car, and her response to that left me heartbroken.
Sorry, please no eating in my car.
Seriously?
Yeah. Is that okay with you? You okay, miss?
No, I'm not okay. It's really been a fucking horrible day. I haven't eaten since I woke up at 6 this morning.
Go for it then.
No, it's fine. I'm gonna just obey your Uber rules. It's awesome. I had a sick home. I had an tonight at 6. I don't need to eat. It's fine. I appreciate it though. I should just finish my reading. I have a lot of extra time on my hands, and I don't need to do things like eat. Because if I had a choice, I'd be eating in the back of a fucking Uber at 5:30. Do you think that maybe you could cut me for a break?
I can cut you a break. It's okay. People need a break sometimes. It's alright. Just be careful, okay? Okay. I'm really sorry to hear about everything that's tragic.
It's fine. I'm fine. It's just been a really long day. Sometimes there's just a little too much on my plate.
I felt so sorry for her. What she told me that she was going through, or still is, was so tragic, I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. She ended up giving me 1 star for this trip, which kind of hurt, and it was frustrating. I mean, how could I have known that she was going through such a horrible day, and all I was trying to do was make sure that my car is clean, so that when I pick up my next ride, I won't get a poor rating because of a potential mess. It's whatever though, and in the grand scheme of things, it's not a big deal, and I truly wish her the best.
Take care.